Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, Financials and Business Performance, FY25 and Q1 FY26. In FY25, RIL's consolidated revenue rose approximately 7.1% to 1,071,174 rupees crore. Profit after tax, PAT, for FY25 was 81,309 crore rupees, up approximately 2.9% YoY. EBITDA was 183,422 rupees crore, and more than 50% of this came from the consumer businesses, retail plus digital. Gross debt, March 2025, was 347,530 rupees crore, and net debt stood at 1 rupee, 17,083 crore. Capital expenditure in FY25 was 131,107 rupees crore. In Q1 FY26, RIL posted a PAT of 26,994 crore rupees, a significant jump over the same quarter last year. Its telecom, digital arm Jio also had strong growth in Q1. Net profit up approximately 25%, revenue up approximately 19%. Retail and FMCG expansion. RIL's FMCG arm, Reliance Consumer Products Limited, has rolled out a 40,000 crore rupees food park strategy, starting units in Andhra Pradesh and planning one in Nagpur. Media and entertainment merger. RIL and Walt Disney closed an $8.5 billion merger of their Indian media assets, creating one of India's largest entertainment, digital conglomerates. Green energy and AI infrastructure. At its 2025 AGM, RIL announced Reliance Intelligence, a new AI-focused subsidiary, and plans for gigawatt-scale, AI-ready data centers in Jamnagar powered by green energy. Petrochemical pivot. To counter Chinese dominance and improve margins, RIL is pushing India to increase petrochemical output. It plans to shift more yield from fuels to chemicals as demand for traditional fuels plateaus. Industrial land acquisition. RIL acquired 74% stake in Navi Mumbai Industrial Area Developer for 16.28 billion rupees, to bolster its